We're done cutting. Time to match these pictures you na to the beginning sounds. Okay. You tell me the pictures first and then you tell me what's the beginning sounds. Okay? Okay.
So,
What is that?
pig.
Okay. What's the beginning sound? Okay, put it there. Okay, we will paste it
I have to
later.
do like this.
Yeah, we will paste it later. No, you look the picture. Okay. What's next? This one, what is this?
Cat.
Okay.
Cow.
Okay. This one ba? What is this?
Pizza.
Okay.
Pizza.
This one, what is this?
Cow.
Okay. This one.
So now,
That one first. I want this one. Why you want like that?
I want to do like that. Put penguin. Nail. Cake.
Okay, great job.